sun peeks through the curtains, cold frost on the pane, coffee on the stove, hear the screen door bang, biscuits in the oven, bacon popping loud, mama's humming carols, and Daddy's grinning proud. Gravy on the taters, laughter fills the room, big old country breakfast on a Christmas morning bloom. It's a quiet kind of Christmas, warm and slow, wrapped in love from head to toe. From the table to the tree, just family. Yeah, it's all we ever need. Peace on earth, hearts all glowing, quiet night, minus the snoring. Paper tearing everywhere, boughs upon the floor, kids yelling thank you, running back for more. Old dog in the corner, wearing tinsel like a crown, Grandpa telling stories about the way things were back then in town. Snow boots by the doorway, joy in every face. Time stands still in this old familiar place. It's a quiet kind of Christmas, warm and slow, wrapped in love from head to toe. From the table to the tree, just family. Yeah, it's all we ever need. Peace on earth, hearts all glowing, quiet night, minus the snoring. Campfire crackles midday, skillet black and true, hash made from the leftovers, tasting just like new. Smoke curls to the sky, cold air on our skin, simple meals and memories, that's where it all begins. The evening rolls in easy, guitars on the wall, classic country Christmas and old movies we all know by heart. Full plates at the table, one last thankful prayer, heavy eyes and happy sighs drifting through the air. It's a quiet kind of Christmas, soft and deep, rocked to sleep by too much to eat. Fire burns low, moonlight glowing, everyone's dreaming, gently dozing. Holy night, love keeps pouring, quiet night, minus the snoring. Yeah, the house is still and the stars are bright. Might be perfect, if not for the snoring tonight.